Hello, it's Chris Pickard at Body Imbalance in Hertfordshire, and it is time for some more brain-based wellness news. And this week we're going to be looking at how the effects of chronic stress affect the brain, mainly through the release of something called cortisol. So here's our poor structure, the brain. And the brain is what controls and regulates everything through the nervous system and the hormones. So it's imperative we look after this delicate structure. So first of all, what is the release of chronic release of cortisol in the bloodstream? It affects all sorts of things. It can lead to weight gain, it can lead to osteoporosis, it can lead to digestive problems, hormone imbalances, cancer, heart disease and diabetes. So it's reckoned that chronic stress is actually the underlying cause of about 90% of the conditions, or at least it's contributing to 90% of the conditions that are seen by medical doctors. But unfortunately, these things are not really, well, these may be treated with symptom-reducing drugs, but the stress is very rarely looked after. That's what we specialize in at the clinic. But what are the effects of the brain? Let's look at some of the early effects, because I don't want to scare you with the big ones. Okay, early effects on the brain, such simple things as memory loss, simple little bit as memory loss, brain fog, anxiety and worry. Now, of course, you're probably thinking this is obvious that stress causes anxiety and worry. Yes, but it's actually causing damage to the brain. These are early warning signs that you need to really do something about this chemical in your body. So what can you do? Well, you can apply the Magnificent 7 healing strategies. Actually learning how to think yourself out of stress, learning how to communicate better with others, including yourself, helps you get out of stress. Breathing exercises, how to eat right, what to drink to actually lower your stress levels, exercise right amount of sleep, and also eliminating toxins from your body and brain are very important. And of many of these things, one of these things that's really powerful that switches off stress very quickly, and I see people who are stressed all the time, is simply spinal adjustments. Realigning the spine actually takes your whole nervous system out of stress, including your brain. And so the more stressed you are, the more you need to look after your spine. It's a simple thing that you can do. So if you're stressed, if you're worried about any of these things, give us a call on 01707 662 704. And if you're under stress and you haven't seen us for a while, get in for some regular care, because if you haven't seen us for a long time, we have a lot of de-stressing techniques to help you with. Be well, and as ever, live long and prosper with good posture.